high-performance mill-turn center, combining rigidity and precision. With a max turning diameter of 800 millimeters, large parts are no challenge. Up to 1,500 millimeters in turning length, perfect for long, complex parts. Dual direct drive spindles running up to 2,500 revolutions per minute with 17 kilowatts power, combined with a power turret, ensure precise and flexible, robust machining. The machine purpose built for large